Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to be reviewing my Este Lauder $110 night serum. And this is just the sample size. I have been using it for a few weeks now. So with the company making all these claims and with the price point being $110 for this product, I knew I had to try it and give you my honest opinion and review. So let me start off by saying that I didn't use this product every night. And the reason for that is because I was using silk calphate prior to using this. And if you guys have seen my silk calphate video, I love that product. I am blown away by that product. So if you're interested in watching it, I'm gonna link it up here. So first, let me start off by saying what the company claims this will do. It says in your first night, you will see that your skin looks more radiant and more hydrated, that it has 8 hours of antioxidant fighting power, 72 hours of hydration, that it strengthens your skin barrier in just 4 hours, that in 3 weeks you should see a visible improvement in your fine lines and wrinkles, and that your skin should look more youthful. So it says that this serum is ideal for multiple signs of aging, for hydration. It improves the look of dullness and makes your skin look more radiant. It helps with uneven skin texture and tone. So this serum claims to do a lot of things. And it is expensive. It's $110 for a bottle. And I have been using it for about 3 weeks. However, it hasn't been a consistent 3 weeks. And I'll get into why it hasn't been consistent in the end. But first, I want to show you, I'm almost done with this bottle. I wanted to just do a quick video on it before I was completely out, so I can show you guys. It's a very light serum. You do need a lot for your face. I feel like a little does not go a long way with this serum, and it also dries really quickly. So once you are applying it, I feel like you have to rub it in your face really quickly to spread it out before it dries, or you're just going to be using a ton of product. So that was already one thing that I didn't like. When I first started using this product, this was the only thing I was going to bed in. So I would do my eye cream and then use this serum. And I did that for about 4 nights before I started seeing my skin looking not as good. I'm not saying that this product damaged my skin or made my skin look worse than it did, but I was using silk calphate, and I love silk calphate. That product took my skin from looking here and it brought it up here. And I didn't even know that my skin could look that good until I started using that product. And so I noticed that when I started using the Este Lauder night cream, my skin started coming back down to where it normally looked. And I didn't like that. And so I would kind of like do some nights in between the Este Lauder serum and do my silk calphate. The cold weather is making my skin just extra thirsty. And the Este Lauder night serum was not hydrating. I would wake up and my skin was super, super thirsty, and it just looked really dull, and I needed to replenish some of that moisture. This serum is very light. I did need to moisturize on top of this serum. I had to. My skin was so dry with this serum, and it is very lightweight, so I don't think that it would be very moisturizing for an overnight product for a lot of people. That is the reason why I didn't use this product consistently, because I couldn't. Like, my skin would just not be looking good. That was a big reason as to why I'm giving this product a big thumbs down. It's $110, and it didn't do much. My skin looked worse than it did when I started using it, and I did need to use other products to keep my skin looking radiant and hydrated and just looking good. So I would not recommend this product. Okay, so my advice to you would be to save your money on this product. It didn't work for my skin. I wasn't a fan. I'm gonna pass on this. I would not buy it. I'm glad I tried it in a sample size, but it wasn't any good, and I knew I had to do a video for you guys. In case you were thinking of buying it, now you know my opinion, and now you know that I wouldn't get it. Let me know if you've tried this serum in the past. Let me know if this video helped you in any way. Please consider giving this video a like if you liked it, and subscribing to my channel if you want to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.